Alright guys, I'm in Sri Lanka right now. Actually, it's Horton Plains. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The hell? Wow! What is this place? Oh my goodness! In this video, I will tell you a secret about Sri Lanka that the world doesn't know. Come with me. It's about mass flowering in Horton Plains. And the country I'm in right now, Sri Lanka. The secret thing is that you can only see these mass flowering bloom once every 12 years in the middle of my country. So, do you know what the golden thing is here? See this. This whole world has 450 species. And as a proud traveling vlogger of this pearl of the Indian Ocean, I can say we have almost 35 of them. That means we should thank this beautiful nature. But how do you call this spring? Is there any specific name or something? It's called NFB. Never mind it. Nelu Flower blooming. So, my dear Nelu, you are warmly welcome to Horton Plains National Park in Sri Lanka. Do you really want to know the history of this magical plant? Come with me. According to Sri Lankan history, they all came here for a 1-month vacation, and then they would kill their mothers and themselves. What does that mean? I'm completely confusing. Is it? Don't worry. I will tell you the story. That means after about 30 days, no one can see these Nelu flowers. Even though, according to the villagers' stories, in the past, these plants were usually seen on both sides of flowing water in some villages. After the death of these Nelu flowers, the villagers of Nuwara area used to bring the dead plants for firewood. And later, they stopped it because those people believed that having these plants would be an iconic bad omen. Come with me this way and have a look at their colors. Some are blue, some are white, some are purple. I think this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for travelers who love nature all around the world. So, if you are seeing this mass flowering video from outside my country, then you are the luckiest person. I think so. On the other hand, these Nelu flowers give a unique beauty to my country to shine over the world. And after a few weeks, these flowers will sleep for another 12 years. Eventually, my dear Nelu, I would like to say thank you for visiting my motherland, Sri Lanka, and seeing you in the same place after 12 years. That's enough for today.